Ooh, baby, I'm about to make you the best meal you ever had. I'm gonna see you when you get here, okay? Bye, Daddy.
Girl, who is you talking to? You know you cannot cook.
Who can't cook?
You can't cook.
Girl, I can cook anything. Give me a pack of bologna, some street lamps, and a cigarette lighter. Bam.
That's it. That's gonna be the next challenge. Who can make the best leftover meal? Cook, ladies, I'm hungry. I'm judging this one.
Are you eating my little boo's fruit snacks?
Can I get some?
It's your girl, Kanisha.
And Joncea.
And you know it's your boy, DoBoy. Now look, y'all, I had to throw a curveball on this one. I couldn't just give y'all a basic cooking challenge. That would be too easy with regular ingredients. I feel like a real cook can make a meal out of anything. So if you can make a meal out the leftovers out of my fridge, you the real deal. I want to see who can do the most with the least. That's facts.
Okay, and the loser has to eat whatever the winner picks, and it's gonna be nasty as hell.
And you already know I have already picked what Kanisha is about to eat. Because y'all already know who's the best cook.
No, I didn't have Kanisha's food before. Kanisha can kind of get down.
I can get down. I be cooking for young little dudes every day.
Is that a different wine?
Is that a different wig?
This is my Louisiana chicken cooking wig, okay?
Love that chicken from Popeye?
Hey.
Okay, well, you got a cooking wig. All right, ladies, well, it's time. With no further ado, let's see y'all get into it. It's time to turn up. Let the games begin.
Aha! Okay, this right here is going to be so easy because nobody can hook up leftovers more than your girl. Check this out. So DoBoy was eating Alfredo noodles, which I don't want to use Alfredo. Oh, but thank God, I bought my purse with me. Yes, baby. I got my own seasonings. What I tell y'all? Y'all already know. I don't play out here. This is not a game with me. I don't play with food. You see what I'm saying? You got your hair Tabasco. I don't know what the Tabasco is for, or the Baby Ray's. I don't know what that's for yet, but you need to have these on deck anyway. You know how Beyonce said, I got hot sauce in my purse. That's right, B, you ain't the only one. But it looks like I'm about to make a little bit of veggie casserole and some type of fake hamburger helper. I don't know, but I'm about to get it started and I'm about to win this challenge. Easy.
I got my drink. I got these little bootleg ingredients that I'm about to make into one heck of a meal. We got some green beans, some onions, some butter, some corns, rice, nuggets, and some hamburgers. Oh, and some cheese and a slice of bread. I think I'm gonna make me some grilled cheese made with love and some ghetto fried rice. Who's down for that?
I think I'm gonna rinse the Alfredo off of this. Okay, so I don't want these. I know y'all probably like, ugh, but I don't know. I don't want Alfredo on my noodles. I'm gonna make a good noodle, like a butter noodle. Don't tell nobody, y'all. Don't tell nobody, that's perfect.
This is how you know a real chef. When they hit it with like this. Anytime you see somebody do this, oh, they a real chef. Yeah, I know Joncea wasn't in here doing that. Now y'all know I'll be cooking for these young men out here, so I already know how to use leftover hamburgers and nuggets, because that's all they eat. Let me show y'all how to do this fancy though. Watch this. Come over here and just hit it with a, ooh, you see that? You like that? I know y'all do. You gotta put a few nuggets. You wanna move quick, okay? Because when these babies get out of school, they only got a little bit of time in between class to eat. Homework, gotta have them back on the college campus, okay? Here we go.
Always remember your secret ingredient. Remember what I told y'all. Mrs. Dash. Just the fake Mrs. Dash, because y'all know how I do. Put a little corn and string beans. I like corn, so let's use a lot of corn. Corn and string beans, no onions. Don't do the most. Mix that with a little butter.
Oh, I think Joncea left some of her cooking wig in here. Y'all need to come get this up. I don't want no hair in my food. Let me tell y'all something. It's because this is what I'm doing. I cook with my hands. I'm trying to be clean because this is TV. I cook with my hands. They gonna eat it anyway. The germs gonna come off and I wash them. So you add the rice. You get your little bit of corn up in here. Fried rice, gotta have corn. These are definitely Mexican style onions. I know them. I'm dating 2 Mexican little boys right now. Okay, there. Yeah, that's called professional. When you just, that's a professional right there.
This is the secret key to this. Add about 4 pieces of cheese. I know you like, Joncea, why you always using all that cheese and butter? Cause it's good. What you mean, why?
So this is what we gonna do. Cause I like to make stuff with love. And this is what I do for my little boos. Go ahead and cut you some little hearts out, okay? Get your little shapes. They like shapes. You know, young men like shapes. Okay? That's why they like me. I'm very shapely. I'm good with knives, you know what I'm saying? I have to scare my little dudes every now and then. Like, who was you liking on Instagram? And be all together. More butter. Everybody love butter. Ooh, the liquor is fantastic.
Burger King, you thought you had me, but I'm doing it my way.
You know what we missing? Seasoning time. Get you some sesame seeds up in here. And I don't know if y'all really I be messing with the Asians, so they be hitting me up with the little sesame seeds on everything. I got this one little cute dude, he be fixing my iPhone, and I ain't even got an iPhone. It's crazy. All right, let's see. All right. Let me see what this is tasting like. We need some garlic salt. This ain't gonna work. These are my key ingredients. Now, my safe house ingredients, I don't tell nobody about. There's garlic salt and lemon pepper. You got to have lemon pepper. You got to have the lemon pepper. I'm still missing some.
The way to a man's heart is through his what? Tell him, Herbie, through his what? Y'all hear that pop? That ain't no thigh pop. That's all stomach.
Secret ingredient. Whoa! Pineapple. Gives it a sweet flavor. Oh, they're not ready for this. They're not gonna know what to do. Woo! Perfect. You put your little bread over. I'm telling you, I don't know about these chef hands. I don't even need no utensils. Look at this. Ah! It's like mixing records around here.
Always taste your food, okay? If you don't taste your food, you ain't no cook. Woo! That's running. A little hot.
Oh, this one look like the Superman shield. Oh, well, my little boos, they like Superman too. Cartoons, Thor, anybody. This one, Thor hammer, Pac-Man. You know what? We're just gonna do a bunch of different. It started out with hearts, but this one's gonna be a Pac-Man. We're gonna put a little corn for an eye on them, watch. I like to cook quick, fast, in a hurry because I like to spend my time drinking and getting it on.
All right, so now, y'all, don't clean out the pan. I took the noodle pan. You see, still kind of got the flavor and the essence in it. Don't take that out because it still got a lot of that garlic and all that in it. So the essence is still gonna be on that bread. I love cooking. When I cook, I like to sing. It just makes me happy. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. I should have put on my Ronald McDonald wig.
Now watch this. This is the important part because anybody can bring you a plate, right? Anybody can make you a meal. It's the small things that count. It's the presentation that brings it all together. So I got my sriracha, and you gotta flip the wrist on it. Hit it with this. Look at the flip of the wrist. Woo! That's beautiful. This is what real chefs do. You see this? I make nothing and turn it into something. I turn nothing into something. I turn nothing into something.
I hear you sizzling. I hear you sizzling. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. They can't let me go. I just made that up.
What up, man? This is your boy, DoBoy, the Kingpin. I'm here with the little homies, Dooley and Teddy. Yeah. And we about to judge the food that Joncea and Kanisha didn't cook. Y'all ready for this? Y'all excited? Y'all hungry? Who you think gonna win just off the rip, though? Just who you thinking?
I'm voting for Kanisha. I don't care who plate tastes better.
You ain't rocking with Joncea at all?
Right, Joncea ain't never invited me to game night.
She ain't never put you in on no meals?
Right, she ain't never looped me in no emails.
All right, let's get into it. I'm automatically not messing with this medley. I don't do vegetables. It's just not something I really do. I'm gonna just put some on here and just try to.
It's a hood plate. This is what you feed to a family of 8.
This is a hot plate?
Right.
Spread.
Straight out the trap.
Yeah, these noodles about stiff as pencils, though. They hard as
Yeah, the noodles do got hips.
The vegetables is better than the entree.
This is a lot of carbs. You know I'm trying to watch my complex carbs, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get that 6-pack by the summer. You know what I'm saying? All summer 17.
It's still gonna be a little melted. It ain't gonna be a solid 6.
It's gonna be
a lukewarm 3. It's like a hood hamburger helper. A hamburger robber. Nigga break into your house. He don't help shit. I mean, food is food, dog. I don't waste nothing. I'm gonna finish this when we get off camera. I'm gonna mix both the plates together, put it in a little to-go container. You know?
I don't really like vegetables, but I did taste it and that was good. And you know, the hood spaghetti was kind of on point too, man. So.
Hood spaghetti was very dry.
It was dry though. I ain't gonna lie, it was a little.
And you ate it with bread.
All right, well, bring on the next one. Let's see what the next meal is. Let's see what it is. First off, our food has shapes.
Like dog food.
I think that's a heart, but it looks like an enlarged heart.
That's the kidney.
Like they made this for fun, yo.
Yeah. Okay, so y'all ready to dig in and see what's hood? All right, so this is.
Oh hell no.
Okay.
Oh no.
They put hot sauce on it.
I waited on y'all reaction first to see whether I should eat.
But why would they just assume we wanted our food hot? Like, I don't.
The fork tastes better than this.
My plate thick.
If Bae brought me this to the bed and was like, look, Bae, I've been in the kitchen all day slaving.
Well, she can kick that.
I'll just sit that plate down and I'll just eat her because you way better than what's on this plate.
It wasn't good. I feel like it wasn't a lot of love. I did like how my bread was cut into a heart. That was adorable, but
No, I'm gonna give it a 1 because the fork and the cheese sandwich.
All right, ladies. We have had a chance to go over both meals. We still don't know whose is who. We are just gonna go ahead and give you our honest opinion about how we felt about both of them. I'm gonna defer to the little homie Dooley. Talk to him about the first meal that you had first.
The first plate was good. I ain't like the greens or whatever the
green beans.
Yeah.
Okay.
The second plate, the rice was horrible. It tasted like it fell on the floor and she picked it up.
How you know what rice from the floor tastes like? I got you. That's cool. So you, if you had to pick one, you clearly picked
the first plate.
That first dish was a little bit familiar looking. Like when you down on your luck and you just got stuff just sitting in the fridge.
That's like the meal that the chick cooked before she get her taxes.
Can you let me talk?
Is that what you're saying?
Can you let me talk?
I was just trying
Find
to
some lenses.
Okay.
Turn around.
You ain't got no number frames.
Right.
So if you had to pick one, and you can only pick one, are you picking plate number 1 or plate number 2?
Number 1.
Yeah.
Plate number 1?
Yeah.
Okay.
But honestly, I wouldn't eat none of these again.
Ah.
None of these.
I doubt neither of them would cook that again. They didn't have a lot of resources. I threw them a curveball. So if I had to make an overall decision, I think we all going with the same plate, ladies, and it's a 3-0. It's a 3-0. It's a Steph Curry. So we all went with plate number 1. So who made plate number 1?
Oh,
Joncea,
man.
Tasted the cheese.
wow, Kanisha.
You know I can cook. They look like this.
What were you thinking?
Get that plate out of here. That was disgusting.
Yo.
I'm so ashamed of you.
First of all,
I can't believe you put nuggets and me in the same dish.
first of all,
So ashamed. You did good though. Matter of fact, I got something
it was
for
a Pac-Man. I'm telling
to
you.
eat.
It was.
I got
my God.
something for you to eat. Since Kanisha lost, she will be eating durian. This mess stinks so bad, you can't even put it on the airplane. It's illegal. It's like the chitlins of fruit, and it stinks bad. Ugh. No, give me the phone.
What?
Give me the phone. We doing this for the gram, baby. Come on. Do it for the gram. Come on. Do it for the gram, man. Do it for the gram.
Woo! All
Do it
right.
for the gram.
All right. What?
Do it for the gram.
1,
Come on.
2.
Ugh. Let us know which meal you thought was better. And don't forget, put in the comments what you think me and Kanisha should do next.
Oh man! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to all that videos.
Oh my God. Ugh, smells like the inside of your hat. Oof. That is hard to deal
This
with.
is all that excess fat you lost.
Oh man, that's skunk boy. Oof.
Oof. That's somebody had to eat this? Bless her heart. This is
Oh man, who got eat this?
okay. This make me nauseous.
Right, we gotta go.
Okay, we gotta
This
go.
is-
All right,
all right.
okay, thank you. All right, come on.